Layo pa to.
Johanna Miguel, to be played by Johanna Miguel de la Paz, the daughter of Rose. Dutch Finger, to be played by Cedric Manuel, the entertainer power. Happy Boy, to be Rose. National Academy of the Story. Basta, to be played by Ricky Johanna.
Yung totoo, paano mo dito mag-video?
As the Conqueror.
O, isa mo dito yung video.
Ryan Frecuencia as Sparky.
Ayan.
Anton Castillo as Cathy, one of the two. Mark Makahini as Brian in another silver cup, but not an elephant tutor. Sara Ramirez as
Hindi ko alam
Lisa.
yung pag-video dito.
Veronica Motos as Eleanor, the aunt of Rose. And Liga Tolentino as Martola, mother of
Wala,
Rose.
hindi mo naman pindutin.
Finally, Errol Makasaya as Tinodo, the author of Ink.
Boy, may lumalabas eh. Uy.